Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about what we can expect from the upcoming iPhone 16 based on the latest announcements from WWDC 2024. If you're excited about the future of iPhones and Apple technology, stick around. WWDC 2024 focused heavily on software this year. The big news was all about iOS 18, which promises a major overhaul of the iPhone's operating system. We also heard about macOS getting smart features, Siri becoming more AI-driven, and the introduction of Apple Intelligence. However, there was little mention of new hardware. Even though Apple didn't talk much about hardware, we can make some educated guesses about what the iPhone 16 might offer. Here are a few things we think you can expect. Given that the smartest iOS 18 features are limited to the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, it's likely that the iPhone 16 series will fully embrace Apple Intelligence. This means more consumer-focused AI tools like enhanced text summarization in Safari, personalized image creation in Messages, and even more advanced Siri capabilities. To support these AI features, the iPhone 16 will likely come with a new, more powerful processor. We expect this new chipset to be even more advanced than the S17 Pro found in the iPhone 15 Pro models. This will ensure smooth performance for all the new AI capabilities. While details are scarce, we can anticipate some design tweaks and display upgrades. Apple may opt for thinner bezels, a more robust build, and possibly even better battery life to handle the increased demands of advanced AI processing. If history is any guide, we can expect Apple to unveil the iPhone 16 series at a special event in September. This event will likely provide all the details we need about the new models, their features, and their availability. That's our look at what we can expect from the iPhone 16 based on the latest WWDC announcements. Are you excited about these potential features? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.